Discover how Google AI is revolutionizing the future of artificial intelligence and how it can benefit us all. Are you ready to explore the possibilities of the future? Google AI is pioneering the way ahead, delivering cutting-edge technology for healthcare, disaster relief, education, and more. With investments from global leaders in research on ethical and safe artificial intelligence solutions, Google AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with computer applications. From machine learning and deep learning algorithms to computer vision and robotics, get ready to go behind the scenes with Google AI and see how they're shaping the future of artificial intelligence. It's time to see the power of Google and how AI solutions can benefit us all. Subscribe to AI Today and stay tuned to see how Google AI is revolutionizing the future of artificial intelligence. Discover the latest breakthroughs in computer vision, robotics, machine learning, and more, and be part of the journey as Google AI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Google AI is revolutionizing the way computer applications use artificial intelligence, or AI, to solve real-world problems. With an ever-growing range of cutting-edge technology, such as machine learning and deep learning algorithms for natural language processing, automated software testing solutions using computer vision technology, and a robotics development platform called TensorFlow designed specifically for use with robotic hardware, it's easy to see why so much attention is being paid to what Google AI can do. Google AI is looking for practical solutions to some of society's toughest challenges, like those in the healthcare industry and disaster relief operations. These fields have traditionally relied almost solely on human labor, but now they're incorporating automation capabilities developed using sophisticated programming models and machine learning and deep learning methods. It really does seem like there's no limit when it comes to the intersection of high-tech engineering skills and modern advancements in artificial intelligence systems, all made possible thanks to investments from global leaders like Google. By leveraging these powerful tools, we may soon be able to find ways to drastically improve people's lives through large-scale projects funded by philanthropic initiatives, all thanks to Google's tremendous efforts over the years. But how far will advanced technology shape the future? How are other organizations effectively incorporating machine learning frameworks and autonomous execution strategies into existing workflows? Vector data engineers within corporate businesses are pioneering new approaches guided by higher-level inferences produced by artificial intelligence, design philosophies powered by large datasets, all sourced across multiple public clouds. This brings us back to the central question: how is Google looking to use top-tier AI? Google AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. They're using advanced techniques like deep learning and reinforcement learning. These models help us understand natural language, process images and videos, make decisions, and mine data. It's amazing what we can do with these tools. But now we have to figure out how to use them for the best possible outcome for everyone. What does Google have planned for us with their AI research projects? What are the long-term goals when it comes to using artificial intelligence? We'll just have to wait and see. Google AI is working towards creating better and effective and more efficient and safe artificial intelligence systems, which can be a big game changer for people already interacting with the world. As businesses try to use automated technologies to improve their operations, they need to make sure they're taking into account social concerns like data privacy and economic inequality. Google is doing a lot of research to make sure their products are ethical and safe, so people and communities around the world can benefit from the technology. But no matter what kind of policies are in place, there's an important question to answer. What kind of social impact does Google AI have? Will these advances really improve the quality of life for everyone, especially those who don't have access to a representation in technological advancement initiatives? These questions will shape our future conversations about who is leading the way in integrating tech solutions into business models. Share your thoughts. What challenges does Google AI have to face when it comes to creating responsible artificial intelligence systems? Leave a comment with your answer. Google AI is helping healthcare become more innovative in lots of ways, like creating advanced medical technologies like imaging systems and machine learning technologies, so doctors can diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. And Google Translate is helping healthcare providers communicate better care plans to their patients, even if they don't speak the same language. Real-time analytics solutions also give doctors access to patient data when they need it while keeping it secure. Plus, researchers are using AI to analyze different aspects of laboratories like genetics, which can help treat illnesses and improve preventative wellness plans. But even for these advances that have a lot of potential, we need to make sure they lead to positive outcomes. Google AI is making a big impact in healthcare-related areas like robotics. They're creating algorithms that help robots move around and interact with their environment, as well as make predictions based on data that they collect. Google's TensorFlow platform gives us access to open-source tools to develop autonomous systems, so that we can keep improving our automated tech in healthcare. Venture capital firms like Zeta Venture Partners are investing in health research projects. They work with Google Ventures' life sciences team to make groundbreaking new advancements in artificial intelligence and biopharmaceuticals. This has opened up new possibilities for medical diagnoses, treatment, and even drug discovery using computer simulations. One interesting question is, how could using advanced technology change how we think about preventing disease? Google AI is really pushing the boundaries of what can be done with artificial intelligence. They're researching ways to solve complex problems in healthcare, climate change, and education, making our lives even more advanced. But as all these new technologies advance forward, we need to think about the ethical implications. How can we make sure that everyone benefits from AI? What challenges does Google AI face in the future when it comes to creating responsible artificial intelligence systems? This is an important question to consider, as it will determine how AI is used and who is going to benefit. Share your thoughts. What challenges does Google AI have to face in the future when it comes to creating responsible artificial intelligence systems? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. As AI becomes more advanced, more complex, and more powerful, it's important that Google is taking steps to make sure it's used ethically. With initiatives like their partnership on artificial intelligence and AI to benefit people in society, they are working with research institutions around the world to develop a responsible autonomous system for making decisions. This involves managing potential risks associated with machine learning algorithms, like privacy breaches or biased data security results, as well as creating certain jobs and strategies to help people stay productive even when machine learning starts taking over certain jobs. Google's commitment to innovation should be encouraged, but it should also be open to bigger public discussion about goals and objectives. After all, we already have bigger implications than advancements made by artificial intelligence. We already know automation will have a big impact on many industries, but one important question remains: how will business models change over time because of Google AI? Google AI could have a huge impact on our lives in the years to come. As technology advances and more advanced algorithms are used, we're likely to see tasks being automated for both companies and individuals. Automation has already been increasing productivity in industries like manufacturing and transportation services. Artificial intelligence is being used in areas like finance analytics tools, which can help provide better insights into markets or investment opportunities. On top of this economic revolution driven by Google, Google's researching teams could lead us down paths that we can't even imagine today. For example, self-driving cars, automated personal assistants doing chores around the house while we work, and intelligent bots providing real-time information about global trends with voice commands. 10 years ago, these things were unimaginable, and in addition to these big projects, AI could also help out on a smaller scale, like helping one person or soothing another's despair. Given how quickly product teams across major tech companies are adopting AI solutions, we should think about ethical standards and legitimate business models going forward. Google's research efforts, backed by globalization and open source initiatives, have already drastically improved communication in our lives. Services like Google Home let us ask questions and get real-time information about the world around us. Predictive analytics are being used in everyday applications like weather forecasting systems and traffic jam detectors, so AI has become a part of modern society. But an important question remains: how can we make sure that these advances are developed for everyone's benefit? We need policy frameworks that make sure technology is fair and serves all communities, no matter the income level or geographic location. This should be taken into account when forming regulations or public investment strategies about artificial intelligence initiatives. So what practical steps can governments take right now to develop responsible regulation policies related to artificial intelligence investments? Google AI is revolutionizing the way that computer applications use artificial intelligence to solve real-world problems. With an ever-growing range of cutting-edge technology like machine learning and deep learning algorithms for natural language processing, automated software testing solutions using computer vision technology, and a robotics development program called TensorFlow, it's easy to see why so much attention is being paid to what Google AI can do. Google AI is looking to use top-tier AI to solve some of society's toughest challenges, like those in the healthcare industry and disaster relief operations. They're also using advanced techniques like deep learning and reinforcement learning to understand natural language, process images and videos, make decisions, and mine data. But the ethical implications of these technologies need to be taken into account. Google is taking steps to make sure their products are ethical and safe, but how will business models change over time because of Google AI? How can we make sure that these advances are for everyone's benefit? These are important questions to consider, as they will determine how AI is used and who it's going to benefit. Are you ready to stay ahead of the AI curve and take advantage of the latest investments? In our next video, all the newest AI that you have to know, we're going to be exploring the newest AI technologies that are revolutionizing the world. Don't miss out on this important opportunity to learn about the newest AI technologies and how they are impacting our lives. Tune in now to get a jump start on the future of AI.